When sourcing dropshipping products, it is not necessary to upgrade your products to a premium level to reach customers effectively. There are products that allow quick access to buyers without requiring a premium account. To better connect with potential customers, you can focus on selecting products in the future section and skip the top-tier premium or top-selling options. This method enables easier access to customers while keeping your sourcing cost-effective. By using the Build Resort feature, you can view a list of pre-approved free products that are available without activating any premium mode. These pre-free products provide quality options for dropshipping, allowing you to reach customers efficiently and start selling without extra investment. This approach ensures you can maintain a competitive edge in your dropshipping business while keeping your product selection simple and effective. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.